Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Problem of the Day. Problem of the Day is word problems that we solve using the S.O.L.V.E method and all of our strategies. We will continue to solve word problems with teen numbers. Now remember, boys and girls, a teen number is a number that has 10 ones and some extra ones. Okay, so let's begin. Mabel loves to look at the stars. Mabel sees 14 stars. Some of them are big and some of them are little. How many are big? How many are little? Now, the S.O.L.V.E method, we have to underline the question. And we have two questions. They want to know how many are big and how many are little. Then we think about what the problem is asking us to find. What is this problem asking us to find? The problem is asking us to break apart the 14 stars to find how many are big and how many are little. Circle the important parts. Mabel sees 14 stars. That is our whole. Some of them are big. That's one part, and some of them are little. That's the other part. This is a part-whole problem. What is not important? We do not need to know that Mabel loves to look at the stars in order to solve our problem. Now, let's line up a plan. We know that we have to break apart the 14 stars, right? And we also know that 14 is a teen number because it has 10 and some more ones. So let's begin with using our objects. I am going to count out 14 bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, boys and girls. So I have 14 bears. Okay. I know that 14 is a teen number. So I know if I get a group of 10, then I know that's a part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you look, I lined up my bears the five group way. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10. So 14 is 10 and how many extra ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can draw my 10 bears and then my 4 bears. I'm going to use circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's my 10. My 10 bears right here. And then I have 4 extra ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4. And the same goes with the pictures, right? So let's use our dry erase and I can show you with the pictures. If I draw 14 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to circle 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's my group of 10. And then I have 4 extra ones. So 14 is 10 and 4. Okay, is 14. Okay, boys and girls. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 4 ones. And when we look at these parts, we know that 14 is 10, can be big, and 4. But when we put them together, remember, And when it's a putting together problem, we use the addition sign, the plus sign, so plus. So 10 plus 40 plus 4 is 14. Do not forget to check your strategy boxes. So boys and girls, our number line, last week I told you do not use the number line because our number line on the paper go up to 10. But you guys have the number line that go to 20. So Miss Allen put the number line in my dry erase board to protect it, and then I can draw and not lose it. So we know we can start with 10, and if we look at our equation, we can start with 10. So you put the dot on the 10, and how many extra ones did 14 have? Do you guys remember? Let's look again. How many extra ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna jump or hop 4 times on the number line, going to the right or going forward, because that's the way to add. So I am on the 10 and I'm gonna jump 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. I landed on 14 and I circle the number. We can use the 10 frame to show 14. We know that 14 is 10 ones. So I know that this is my 10 frame with 10 ones and then 4 extra ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is where mathematicians are getting confused. What is the whole? The whole was the number 14. As we see in the picture, 14 is the whole. So remember, you're going to put your whole in the circle that has the arms, which is this one. And you can label so you don't forget. So 14. We know that 14 is 10 ones, and you can see it on your 10 frame. And then 4 extra ones. Boys and girls, when you are finished with your strategies, remember, you need to put the answer in the answer box. And you need to answer the question, because the question was, how many are big? We can say 10 are big, B-I-G, and then 4 are little, L-I-T-T-L-E. That can be your answers. Or you can say 4 was big and 10 is little, whichever way you want to write it. But we are trying to decompose our T numbers as 10 and some extra ones. You have a challenge problem. The challenge problem says 2 little stars go away. So how many stars did we have to begin with? We had 14 stars, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We had 14 stars and 2 go away. When something goes away, it is a taken away problem and we have to cross it out. So how many do we cross out? The 2 stars. Remember, this is important. 2 little stars go away. And how many stars can Mabel see now? So we cross out 2, 1, 2. When you count your answer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You get 12 stars. You can even write an equation. We had 14. We took away 2 stars, and now we have 12 stars. Remember to write stars, and you can spell stars from looking at the question. S-T-A-R-S. Boys and girls, see you tomorrow when we tackle yet another teen problem.